Hi bloomers, welcome to our YouTube channel and welcome to our first YouTube video. Do not forget to comment, like and subscribe. Well, our first video is a short beautiful poem which is a tribute to Mother Nature and all the amazing things she does. Enjoy! Mother Nature, giver of life, holding human life on earth, a nurturing and powerful force, air controlling and regulating maternal being. Mother Nature needing us humans to take care of her, to sustain her. Let's reduce waste. Let's conserve resources. Let's not forget to choose eco-friendly products. Adopt sustainable practices in your daily lives. Jump into reusing items. Save water. Turn off the tap while brushing. Taking a shorter shower won't hurt. Thank you, Mama Nature. We will make sure to take care of you just the same way you always take care of us. Here is a chair. You deserve to rest too. Thank you.